Welcome, today I'm ready for Motorola Moto E40 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap on the sound section. Then you'll see here the media, call, ringtone and notification and alarm volume panels, and just to change the volumes you should hold and swipe to the left or to the right side. There's blue dots with your finger. We can also set here a vibration to always vibrate, or vibrate first then ring gradually, or just to don't set the vibration for calls. We can turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode. We can use just select the people or applications, or just any notifications from different apps to use them. In don't disturb mode, we can also set the schedule of the don't disturb mode. We can set the start and the end time of the D&D. We can here to turn on or turn off the shortcut to prevent ringing and choose vibration or mood mode. Also, we can change ringtone and notification sounds here, and in advanced settings we can also change here the alarm sounds, and we can use here turn on or turn off the dial pad tones, screen lock and lock sounds, the charging sounds and vibration touch sounds and touch vibration, and power on sounds just by click on each of the switcher with your finger. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on now on Motorola Moto E40. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.